channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to do a hanging text effect in Canva. So let's begin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like these. So let's begin. So first of all, what you do is that you're gonna take this size over here. And after the page has been opened, now what you do is that then I'm just gonna go in the elements. And I'm just gonna first of all change my background and like go here and like make it to somewhat like a yellow color, a bright yellow color. Something similar to this. Alright, I like this color. Now I'm just gonna take this square right here. And I'm gonna change this color to like kind of a red color, like a purplish color, or maybe something like this type of color. Let's just take something similar to this color. Okay, this is perfect. Now I'm just gonna make it to the half of my page like this. And now I'm gonna go into text. I'm gonna click on arrow heading and I'm gonna type in here L, like a capital L. Make its size a little bit bigger. Change its font to Leak Spartan. And I'm gonna change its color to white. Like this. Now I'm gonna go in the effects. Click on lift and make its intensity to the highest point you can give. Like this. I'm just gonna make it a little small. And I'm gonna tilt it like this. Now you can make like a duplicate. And I'm gonna type in here E. And I'm gonna drag it a little bit downwards. Like this. So now I'm done with like all the adjustment. Like I'm ready with my all the adjustments. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go in the elements and just pick on this circle. And I'm just gonna select it and I'm gonna like bring its layer to front. And I'm gonna change its color to the backgrounds. Like this, and I'm just gonna zoom in. And I'm just gonna go here and just select click search for a line and just gonna click on this. Like this, and I'm gonna select it. Gonna bring it like this. And make its size to like 6. And I'm gonna go on curve and points like this. And I'm gonna select these two, group them up, and now I'm gonna make duplicates of them.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Okay, so I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share to your friends for more fun videos like these. Bye bye. And don't forget to give your vote in my post in my channel for what tutorial you want after Canva. So, hope you love this video. Bye.